truth but a harsh reality. In today's fast-paced, multifaceted business environment, just a degree is not enough. One needs to focus on developing skill trainings and learning the tools of a new economy. And the solution, of course, is skill training that adds to your academic qualifications and makes you job ready. Taking a step forward, Intertech and SkillCube have joined hands to partner joint certification courses in International Management Standard System. Here we have with us professionals from top multinational companies sharing their views on this. What is your viewpoint about the availability of skilled personnel in India? Do you think there is a need for niche training in the academic institutions?
Each and every industry is going through a tough phase. We're talking of not getting the right talent. On the other side, you see a lot of people who are graduating and they are looking for jobs. Huge gap. And this is what precisely the problem is. So without proper skill set development of these people, this gap is not going to get fulfilled. This gap will never get bridged. To get that niche skills building as a part of the entire curriculum or part of the separate thing, we should have to get into the target industry. We should to map the skills what we have, what are the skill sets which are required, and how we bridge that gap. And that's something which needs to be done as a part of the program. It's to be done part of the individual's own ownership or maybe part of the industry ownership. There is no other way but to get to those niche skills that each and every one of us has to target.
Do you think it is worthwhile to invest in industry-related courses while still in college? Will there be an impact on the employability potential of the student?
The big question is, at the end of the studies, everybody wants a job. I feel the road from college, university to job market has always been bumpy. And the whole idea is to combine the synergies of all these stakeholders in the value chain and offer customized courses to the students of colleges and universities. Because we are a part of India's shining story, we need to make sure that all our students who are coming out of college and universities, they are adequately skilled to make sure that once they step out of the college, they are employable and they are a part of making some positive change in the development of this country.
Why should universities and colleges partner with Intertech SkillCube?
50% of the country's population is below the age of 25 years. And they are going to education institutions and finally they are looking for a job. So for getting a good job and the right opportunities, there is a requirement to have the right skill sets. And that is where the government has taken an initiative where it has established the National Skill Development Corporation at the apex level to upskill 150 million people by the year 2022. So that is where I think it will help, where SkillCube and Intertech will play a major role in this field. So if you are aligned to these sectors and these courses, I am sure that you have equipped yourself in the corporate world.
Now let us understand from you the key changes in the governmental initiatives and regulatory framework in the areas of environment, energy, safety and security, and how these will impact on the demand for skilled personnel in these areas.
I personally believe this is a catch-22. Whenever we pick up a newspaper, we see a lot of companies looking for candidates, hiring. And if you see, most of the time hirings are at 2 years experience, 4 years of experience, 7 years of experience. The challenge is these fresh pass outs, they are ready to work even without compensation, but someone has to give that platform. So this platform can help to give them extra knowledge, handhold them for a year and then deploy them.
But has the outlook of people really changed in the last decade with respect to energy, environment, safety and security?
Well, yes. To be honest, over past decade, people have witnessed incidents like 9/11 and 26/11 in Mumbai, which has opened up their eyes towards the false sense of security that the countries have been providing for their citizens. Considering that people have now taken upon themselves and are taking their security in their own hands, they are now getting more reliant onto the technology such as CCTV cameras, intruder alarm systems to secure themselves, their families and their loved ones.
Now the question is, are the career spaces really evolving in the areas of safety, security, energy and environment.
Indian government is going to invest almost $1 trillion in the critical infrastructure building this country, and this investment is spread across various sectors, and we are seeing a opportunity where new careers will be built in health, safety and environment. For example, if you see the energy sector, oil and gas sector companies, there are 2 new refineries which have come up in India, and they have spent a lot of amount of money on ensuring that they meet all the compliance in health and safety and environment. They have specialized people. They didn't have people from India, so they got expats from the European or American continental to help these people implement the projects, meeting the standards in India. So this kind of change is bringing a lot of new opportunities for our Indian people to participate and build their career into it.
These certification training programs that has been designed by Intertech and SkillCube has taken the inputs from various industry experts who are in this field for last so many years in the field of environment, energy, security, safety, statistical process controls. These courses will provide the students the best practices, what is going on in industries, and will also provide them how, when they go to the industry, how they can work with the experienced people who have been working in the industry for last so many years.
All this really makes these courses a must to opt for. My last question for all of you: are you ready to be job ready?